Good morning, folks. There's nothing quite like starting your day with a refreshing glass of orange juice, is there? Let's talk about orange juice, the vibrant, tangy drink that has become synonymous with breakfast in America. It's the quintessential breakfast beverage, a staple on tables across America. We love our OJ. Whether it's a busy weekday morning or a leisurely weekend brunch, orange juice is always there to brighten our day. But have you ever stopped to think about the journey it takes from the orchard to your glass? It's a journey that starts in the sun-drenched orchards where oranges are carefully cultivated. It's a fascinating process, involving cutting-edge technology and the hard work of dedicated individuals. From the moment the oranges are picked, a meticulous process begins to ensure that every drop of juice is as fresh and delicious as possible. Join me as we go behind the scenes at a mega orange juice factory and witness the magic firsthand. We'll see how these golden fruits are transformed into the juice we all love. We'll explore every step, from the arrival of sun-kissed oranges to the bottling of that tangy goodness. The journey involves washing, sorting, and squeezing the oranges, followed by pasteurization to ensure safety and quality. Get ready to quench your thirst for knowledge because things are about to get juicy. We'll delve into the science behind the flavor, the technology that keeps it fresh, and the people who make it all possible. So, grab a glass of your favorite OJ and join us on this refreshing adventure. Our journey begins in the sun-drenched citrus groves where rows upon rows of orange trees bear their juicy bounty. Once the oranges reach peak ripeness, it's time for harvest. Skilled workers carefully pluck the fruit from the branches, filling crate after crate with these vibrant orbs of flavor. Trucks transport the oranges to the processing plant, their cargo a symphony of bright orange hues. The air hums with anticipation as the trucks arrive at the factory gates, ready to begin the transformation from fruit to beverage. Upon arrival at the factory, the oranges are met with a thorough cleaning process. Think of it as a spa day for citrus. Conveyor belts whisk the oranges away to giant washing machines where gentle jets of water remove dirt, debris, and any lingering traces of the orchard. This step is crucial for ensuring the final product's quality and safety. Clean oranges mean pure, delicious juice. Once squeaky clean, the oranges are ready for the next exciting stage juicing. Now for the main event, extracting that precious juice. The oranges roll into massive machines equipped with specialized rollers and extractors. These ingenious contraptions gently squeeze each orange, releasing a torrent of tangy, vitamin-packed liquid. The juice flows through a series of filters, removing any seeds or pulp, leaving behind pure, smooth orange juice. The aroma in the factory is intoxicating. A wave of fresh, citrusy goodness fills the air. It's enough to make your mouth water. Section 5. Pasteurization power, keeping it safe and sound. In this section, we delve into the critical process that ensures the safety and quality of your favorite orange juice. Freshly squeezed juice is delicious, bursting with natural flavors and nutrients. However, to make sure it remains safe for consumption and has a longer shelf life, it needs to undergo a special treatment. This is where pasteurization comes into play. Pasteurization is a process that involves heating the juice to a specific temperature for a set period. This step is crucial in eliminating any harmful bacteria and pathogens that might be present in the juice, ensuring it is safe to drink. During pasteurization, the juice is rapidly heated to a precise temperature, usually around 75 degrees Celsius, for a short duration. This quick heating process is effective in killing off any harmful microorganisms without compromising the juice's quality. The beauty of pasteurization is that it doesn't affect the flavor or nutritional value of the juice. Scientists and lab technicians rigorously test the juice to ensure that it retains its delicious taste and essential nutrients. As a result, every sip of pasteurized orange juice is not only refreshing but also safe to enjoy. You can savor the natural sweetness and tanginess of the juice, knowing that it has been carefully treated to protect your health. Pasteurization is a vital step in delivering high-quality orange juice to consumers. From the factory to your table, this process ensures that the juice you drink is free from harmful bacteria and retains its delightful flavor. So the next time you enjoy a glass of orange juice, remember the meticulous process that keeps it safe and sound. Section 6. Bottling bonanza, from tanks to your table. Once pasteurized, the juice is ready for its final destination, the bottle. The juice is pumped into massive storage tanks where it awaits bottling. Automated bottling lines work tirelessly, filling countless bottles per minute with precision and speed. Each bottle is carefully sealed, labeled, and packaged, ready to be shipped to stores near and far. The scale of the operation is impressive, a testament to the popularity of this beloved beverage. Section 7. Orange, you glad it's quality checked. Before leaving the factory, every batch of orange juice undergoes rigorous quality control checks. Expert technicians meticulously analyze samples, ensuring the juice meets the highest standards for taste, color, and nutritional content. Only the finest juice earns the right to bear the company's label. This dedication to quality is what makes their orange juice a household favorite, trusted by millions for its consistent deliciousness. Section 8. A journey's end. Enjoying the fruits of their labor. This is the culmination of a long and intricate process where every step is a testament to dedication and precision. And there you have it. The final product, a refreshing glass of orange juice, is the result of countless hours of hard work and meticulous attention to detail. From the orchard to your table, the journey of orange juice is a fascinating blend of nature's bounty and human ingenuity. Each orange is carefully nurtured and harvested at the peak of ripeness to ensure the best flavor. The journey of orange juice is a fascinating blend of nature's bounty and human ingenuity. It starts with the planting of orange trees, which are tended to with great care by dedicated farmers. Over time, these trees bear fruit, and the oranges are harvested with precision. The next time you pour yourself a glass of OJ, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process behind it. Each sip is a culmination of efforts from various individuals who have worked tirelessly to bring this delicious beverage to your table. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate process behind it. From the careful selection of the best oranges to the state-of-the-art machinery that ensures every bottle is filled to perfection, every step is crucial. It's a testament to the hard work of countless individuals, from the farmers who tend the groves to the factory workers who ensure every drop is perfect. Their dedication and expertise are what make your morning glass of orange juice possible. From the farmers tending the groves who rise with the sun to care for the trees, to the harvesters who pick the oranges with skill and precision, every person plays a vital role in this journey. To the factory workers ensuring every drop is perfect, they operate sophisticated machinery, conduct quality checks, and oversee the bottling process to guarantee that each bottle of orange juice meets the highest standards. So go ahead, raise a glass to the humble orange and the delicious journey it takes to become America's favorite morning drink. Each glass of orange juice is a celebration of the hard work, dedication, and passion of everyone involved in its production, and the delicious journey it takes to become America's favorite morning drink. Enjoy every sip, knowing that it represents the culmination of a remarkable journey from the orchard to your table. Cheers to the humble orange and the incredible effort behind every glass of orange juice.